Hello and welcome back to the channel. I'm Alex. Good start.
I'm Jack.
I'm Ethan.
And today we're going to be taking you guys behind the scenes, bringing you our favourite moments of 2019.
Choppy.
Some stories.
He basically cannot function
know.
if he hasn't been fed.
Our top videos, some stuff that we've probably forgotten.
What happened to the Prelude?
So what do you say we jump into the car of 2019, mega spec, and go for a drive?
I think you might need this. It's been a well easy year.
That's it, yeah, no, it's been really easy, hasn't it?
Something about Alex, when you're on shoot that you may not know, is he's very good to work with, very easy to work with. However,
Yeah, I know where it is.
only when he's fed and watered. If you don't feed him, everything just falls to shit.
It is a nightmare.
It really
and you'll
does, yeah.
constantly get, I'm hungry. And he basically cannot function
I don't know.
if he hasn't been fed.
We've digressed quite a lot.
Yeah.
Jack, favourite video of 2019, go.
I think it has to be that first challenge video. It was just, everything was nice. Just the weather was really good.
Like shoots can be tough, but this one, I think the whole day we were all just loving it. Like
Yeah,
every
yeah.
moment of it. I think that came across in that video.
Ethan, favourite video of 2019?
There's two.
Oh.
I'll stick on the theme of challenge videos
Yeah.
for time, because one of them is that it's the off-road challenge.
no, good one.
I love that day. It was just sort of completely opposite to the first one we did, which was beach, warm weather. This one, it was pissing it down, muddy, off-roader, but just so much fun.
The one thing that people don't know is what happened to the Freelander. It was crabbing all over the place, it started smoking, and then the car just completely died. Literally breathed its last breath after we'd finished. So we ended up giving the Freelander away to the bloke who owns Avalanche Adventure. He was really chuffed actually.
My other one is living with a sofa.
Oh
Which
yes,
we did with
Ed
Ed
China.
China.
What a legend.
He was great to work with.
He's such a safe guy.
Yeah, he knows how to be on camera, he knows how it works, he was very easy to film with. The shot of you on the motorway, because I was driving the traffic car which Jack was filming out of, you with this straw struggling to put it in your mouth, I just could not stop laughing. And that was my favourite moment of the year.
That is good. I actually forgot about living with a sofa. I'm annoyed about that. I'm going to say that my favourite video 2019 is how to make a car fast for free.
Ah, yeah.
Because it's hackery.
Yeah. Again, Mitsubishi Space Star. It's an awesome off-roader. And this time round, we also showed that it's an amazing track car.
There's that great shot where you're doing that brake test and it just goes to, pulls to one side, doesn't it?
Yeah.
And it just like locks up. And just the smoke and everything. It's amazing.
Having no doors, having no roof.
Yeah.
It's just the best thing ever.
Go. It's pissing oil all over the screen. That's 17! Yay!
Feed him and give him an angle grinder. He'll be
Job
fine.
good.
That's how cheap a date he is.
Before we continue, we quickly want to talk to you about this week's sponsor, Nextbase.
That's right. Nextbase make high quality dash cams with cool features like Alexa built in.
Ooh, Alexa, play Phil Collins.
No, Alexa, stop. As Ethan was saying, the 522 GW dashcam also features a 1440p quad HD camera with a polarizing filter, Bluetooth, and an emergency SOS feature built in to keep you safe.
You can also watch back your journeys using the app and make use of intelligent parking mode, which records physical movement, means that it's got you covered even when you're away from your car.
So a great quality dashcam with useful features. Click on the link in the description to find out more.
Now, Alexa, play Phil Collins.
No! Alexa, stop!
Something that many of you guys probably don't know is that nothing is scripted.
We have like a loose idea, we have like a paragraph.
Yeah, we have bullet points we've got to hit,
Yeah, a
right?
premise.
Exactly.
Car Throttle was now sort of with the Space Stars of people giving us their cars and stuff. It's like with the RSPCA for cars. Like we give them a new home. I think the only episode I had anything to do with the RX-8 is the driving to Edinburgh hypermining.
Oh.
You love hypermining, don't you?
I hate it. I don't know why you guys keep insisting we do it.
London to Edinburgh, 400 miles. Can we do it on one tank? Which we did. Sorry, spoiler.
Ah, is that it? That's not it. Oh, this is it! Oh my God! We've made it! We've made it! Yeah! Yeah!
We had to do it through the night because we didn't want traffic. It's like an 8-hour drive, so we started rigging up the car, I think, at 11 at night. Set
Was
off.
it? Yeah, I think it
we
was.
set off about 1 after we'd got everything together and sorted. I think just 3 hours in, we were just all ruined. But I love that shot we got, which was we had a GoPro running the whole time.
Oh, yeah.
And when you see it on time lapse, you can just see the petrol tank just emptying when you play it up full speed. Tough video. But
yeah, it was a tough video, yeah. Well, we say it was tough for us, but we were in the crew car. For
yeah.
Alex drove that stint
yeah.
pretty much one go, right? Or did you, how many times did you
No,
stop?
I think I had to stop twice.
Stop for a sleep and stop for a coffee. The good thing about Alex is we tell him there's a forfeit, I'll tell him he's got to do something, he'll normally do it. Why was I born the way I am?
This year, we've shot a lot of videos and we have had hundreds of thousands of comments. 99% of those comments are, Ethan,
What happened to the Prelude?
I'll tell you, we did 3 videos. The engagement wasn't great, people weren't that excited. Ultimately, because we weren't that excited about it, there wasn't that motivation to really see it through. So I sold the car to a guy who owns a Prelude just like it, and he wanted another one, I think, just to bimble about it.
Bimble? We make a lot of videos, sometimes they're not going to work for whatever reason, but I did really enjoy the first one we made, and we made that 80s montage. Because it didn't get the reception we thought it might do initially, we just sort of had to try something else, which happens. We were chatting about our old living with, like the Twizy and stuff, and laughing about you getting soaked in that video and that sort of thing, and it sparked something. Like.
So yeah, that puts Prelude to bed. No more comments, please.
I will not have another word said about it.
Chop it. I think actually one of my favourite moments of the year is, Jack, it's just your mouth.
Chop it.
I don't know what happened to me.
I also really like the when we had Edwin, a colleague of ours, and in the Suzuki Cappuccino video, and he brought his dog Huli, which is a Great Dane, and that was another thing again, driving the tracking vehicle in front of you were filming, and just pissing myself because Edwin's like 6'5", then there's an equally big dog in there, and the whole cabin is filled with like flesh. Of a being.
Speaking of living with, I think my favourite's got to be living with a camper, the VW bus.
Oh, of course. Yeah.
That was good. That was a good old journey. Yeah. Good old slog.
A good old sleep in there.
Why are you trying to make yourself so wide? it's like sleeping next to a barrel.
That was a trip down memory lane for you, wasn't it?
That was really nice actually. I'm really glad that we did that. Going to my granny's old house.
Actually being let in there.
I know.
That was such a weird coincidence. It's 3-3, isn't it?
We don't need to bore people.
I think we should. I'd like to know.
It's pointless.
You are pointless, yeah. You haven't found a car
That
in
might be it.
6 attempts. Maybe it'll be new year, and you'll start racking them up. I think one of my best points was for this car. Mega spec.
yeah.
Where, that bit where we're just walking around, because that's all genuine. We didn't know the features that were in it. We were just discovering it as you guys discovered it.
Yeah.
The fridge.
The fridge.
The fridge.
Oh my god, it's got a fridge!
Heard so much about this fridge.
Fridge. But yeah, 990 quid.
And here we are, still driving Mega Spec.
Who'd you have, Mega Spec or Benters?
I'd have Benters.
Does Benters have a fridge?
Benters isn't as rotten as this thing though.
Yeah, I'd go Benters as well.
Benters, yeah, it annihilates motorway when you're in that thing.
Oh, yeah,
it
it's
just
so good.
gobbles it up like you would not believe. The good thing about fuel tank in the Bentley though is that I noticed that is when you're going around a corner, it just fills up it.
Oh, amazing.
Yeah, so it's perfect. If you turn left though, it does empty itself again.
Talking of the Bentley, we're going to do one more video, aren't we?
Yes, we are.
Living with the UK's cheapest Bentley. I think that'd be interesting.
Yep.
Maybe we should go to France and buy some chocolate milk.
We're going to sleep in it.
I don't think I've ever had any of that candy up.
Do you
Candy
not
up.
know that we're going to sleep in it?
No?
Oh yeah, we're going to sleep in it.
Are we?
Yeah.
No.
See, Mags and all.
How many people do you think on the entire planet have taken a sleeping bag to a Bentley?
I was looking through some footage the other day. I sort of came to the conclusion you just spend most of your time just running after cars.
Yeah. I've probably done more laps of curb on foot.
Yeah. I'm just static, like on a tripod or a slider. You're all just just sprinting.
Looking back at the footage, I didn't realise how sketchy it was at the time. It was all under control. Everyone was looking and everyone was aware of where everyone else was. But with the TT, when you look at that footage back, yeah. Yeah, that thing drifts really well for starts, but like when it's coming round, I felt the exhaust off of it a little bit.
Do you know when I kept on up my line?
You don't mess up your lines, do you?
To which all you need to do is.
When Alex ran down that hill as well at Avalanche Adventure for the off-road, I thought you were going to eat shit big time.
I bet you can't sprint down there.
Right then guys, that is now the end of the year from us. It's been an absolute blast. I hope that you've enjoyed it as much as we have. Before we say goodbye, here's what to expect next year.
Yes.
That is amazing!
Floor it, floor it, floor it, floor it, floor it. Go, go, go.
So that's it from us for this year. You can click here to subscribe and you can check out Nextbase up here, and we'll see you in 2020.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.